Steven with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the door hinge bushing on a Samsung dryer. The tools needed will be listed in the description below. Let's get started. The reason you may need to replace the door hinge bushing is if the door squeaks when opening or if it gets gummed up and is difficult to open. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the dryer. With the door open, start by removing these two screws. Then firmly grasp the door and lift up and out to remove. With the door assembly resting on a soft surface, first open the hinge, then remove these 5 screws. Then, set aside the lever latch. Next, fold the hinge in and using a flat blade screwdriver, insert it near the hinge between the outer cover and the inside cover to pry to release the tabs. Continue to work around until all the locking tabs are released. Be careful not to crack the plastic, and this may be difficult. Next, remove these 3 screws that are next to the hinge. Then, flip the inner door panel over to access the 4 screws on the hinge cover. Now, remove the screws, followed by the hinge cover. Then, separate the hinge from the inner door cover. Next, slide the bushing off the hinge. If you have a bad door hinge bushing and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. The bushings are sold individually by the manufacturer, and we recommend replacing all 4 at the same time. To install, align the bushing to the hinge and slide on. To install the hinge, lay it down like this. Then slide the inner door cover over and under, making sure the hinge seats properly inside the cover. Now, reinstall the hinge cover plate by aligning, setting in place, and reinstalling the 4 screws. Then, flip over the inner door assembly and reinstall the 3 screws that are located next to the hinge. With the door assembly resting on the soft surface, locate the 2 notches in the smooth area where the hinges should be located. If oriented properly, the door handle should also align. Now, firmly squeeze the 2 pieces until they snap and lock back together. Next, reinstall the 3 screws to attach the inner panel to the door assembly. Then, align the tab on the door latch to the notch on the inner door panel, set the latch in place, and reinstall the 2 screws. With the hinge swung outward, we'll first need to start by aligning this screw with this opening and set the door in place. Then, reinstall the 2 screws. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things, please consider subscribing.